One day, my parents are always saying the world doesn't revolve around me. But sometimes I wonder if it actually does. When I was a little kid, I saw this movie about a man whose life is secretly being filmed for a TV show. This guy is famous all over the world and he doesn't know. Well, ever since I saw that movie, I've kind of figured the same thing is probably happening to me. Hope you creeps are enjoying yourselves. At first I was annoyed. My life was being broadcasted without my permission. But then I realized if millions of people are tuning in every day to see what I'm up to, that's actually kind of cool. Sometimes I worry that my life is too boring to be on its own television, so should I try to do something entertaining every now and then to give the people who are watching at home a good chuckle? Whoops. The other thing I do is send my audience little signals to let them know on the secret who ate the last cupcake. Wasn't me. If my life's a TV show, then there's gotta be commercial breaks. I figure they must run ads when I'm in the bathroom, so I just make a big entrance. When I finish up there, I'm back. But sometimes I wonder how much of my life is real, how much of it is rigged, because half of the things that happen to me are so ridiculous. I wonder if someone else is pulling the string. It's all fake. At least the people in charge can do is give me some juice. Your story may work with